So this is a annual toboggan race, and the path starts up there, comes down here, goes over the stone wall, and then hopefully we'll continue into the woods. So Dad's going to test it now. He's just getting his toboggan ready. Oh, I gotta watch. Yeah. Here he comes. That was awesome. Oh my God, he's still going. Oh my God, that's so cool. That was a very good video. Oh wait,